Hello Internet, I am Mihai, it is part 22. Today I will download and run the Node.js backend application on the Ubuntu server. Open the terminal, connect to your server, SSH, your username, and the IP of the server. Mine is 192.168.0.50. Write the password. Very good, I'm connected. Clear the terminal. Perfect. Now I want to check if my user belongs to the Node.js server group. Write groups. And I see that I belong to Node.js server group. Very good. If your user doesn't belong to Node.js server group, watch part 21. There I added the user to the Node.js server group. Clear the terminal. Open configuration repository. In the Jenkins server folder, create a new file. It is run nodejs backend app on the server .md. The file is created, it is open, and start creating the headers. Hashtag create folders for Node.js backend app. Create the shell block. Another header, clone Node.js backend from GitHub. Again, create the shell block. Nice. Another header is change folders owner. Copy and paste the shell block. And the last block is run the server. Paste the shell block. Check git changes. Add the file to the stage, but don't commit it. We will commit it later. Now I want to create the folders for the Node.js backend application. Let's arrange the windows. Open the terminal, put it in the corner. Nice. Take the VS Code. Make it smaller. It will do. And now go to home folder. cd/for-root home. I'm in the home location. Check the content. ls-la. It is the content. I have the Mihai folder and Node.js server folder. Go to Node.js server folder. Check the content. And here I have only 3 files. Copy the commands and add them to the VS Code. Copy the first one. Paste it. Copy the second command. And paste it. Nice. Clear the terminal. Create a new folder, backend application. Prepare the command mkdir backend-application. Copy the command, paste it in the terminal, and it will fail. I don't have permission to create the folder, so I need to use sudo. Copy the command again, paste it, and run it. Write the password. The folder should be created. Check the content. Yes, the folder is created. Go to the folder. Prepare the command. cd for change directory. Copy the folder name. Paste it. Copy the entire command. Paste it in the terminal and run. I'm inside the folder. And here in that folder, I want to create another subfolder for the backups. Prepare the command sudo mkdir for make directory and backups. Copy the command, paste it, run. The folder should be created. Check the content. And it is it, the backups folder. Make the VS Code full screen. Very good. Check Git changes. I added several commands. Add the file to the stage. And write the commit message. Created folders for nodejs backend up. New line, run nodejs backend server. Copy the commit message to use it later, and now commit. Paste the message, remove the first line. Now I want to create the commands for cloning Node.js backend from GitHub. Open the browser, go to GitHub, I'm already here. Open the Node.js backend repository, click on code, select HTTPS and copy the command. Go to VS Code, zoom in a bit and write git clone and pass the command. That is it. I just want to remind you that Git was installed in part 5. Arrange the windows. Zoom out a bit. Good. Open the terminal. Open VS Code again. Clear the terminal. Good. Copy the command. Paste it. Run. And it failed because I don't have permissions. Add the sudo to the command. Nice. Copy the command again. Paste it. Press enter to run. And it is cloning the repository, and it finished. Check the folders ls-la. Here is the cloned repository. I want to rename the folder. Open the terminal. Write sudo mv for move. I take the original name of the folder and I am moving it just to Node.js backend. Copy the command, paste it in the terminal and run. The folder should be renamed. Check the content. And it is it, Node.js backend folder. Let's check the content of Node.js backend to see what I cloned. cd for change directory, Node.js, backend. I made a mistake, it is just Node.js. Another mistake. It is good now. Clear the terminal. Print the content. And here is the Git folder, git ignore file, CI/CD folder, package.json, test folder, src folder. I can take a look inside the src folder, just write ls-la space src. Run. And it is the content of the src folder, index.js file and server.js file. To check the Git branch, you write git status. Open the terminal again. It failed. Let's try with sudo. And here is the branch name, main. Go to VS Code. Check Git changes. I added two commands. Apply them. Write the commit message, cloned Node.js backend repository. New line, run Node.js backend server. Copy the command to use it later, and now commit. Very good. Now it is time to change the folder's owner. Make VS Code smaller. That's it. Zoom in a bit. Very nice. Open the terminal. Clear the terminal. Go to Home Node.js server. Very good. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal. Perfect. List the content. And see here the folder backend application. The owner of the folder is the root user, and also the root group has access to that folder. I want to change it. I want the Node.js server to be the owner of the folder, and also the group Node.js server to have access to backend application. Let's prepare the command. It is sudo chown for change owner. Copy the username, paste it in the terminal, colon, copy the group name, paste it in the terminal, move the cursor back after the chown, space dash dash recursive. It will tell the command to enter every subfolder and change its owner, and also change the owner of every file inside the backend application folder. Copy the folder name, paste it here, and it is the command. Clear the terminal, copy the command, very good, paste it in the terminal and run. It should run successfully. Check it. ls-la. I see the owner is Node.js server and also the group is Node.js server. Enter the folder cd backend application, print the content again, the owners changed, enter the nodejs backend folder, check the content, and also I see that the owners changed. Let's commit the file. Check git changes. I added two commands. Apply. Write the commit message. Changed. Folders. Owner. New line. Run Node.js backend server. Copy the message to use it later. And now commit. Very nice. Alright, the application is cloned, the owner is changed, it's time to run the server. Make VS Code smaller, clear the terminal, make sure you are in the Node.js backend folder, and in the VS Code prepare the command npm install. npm and node were downloaded and installed in the part 5. If you didn't do it, watch the video part 5 and do what I showed there. Now back to the command npm install. Don't forget about the --omit equals dev, because we don't want to install development dependencies. The command will fail, so I need to add sudo. Copy the command, paste it in the terminal and run. It installed 57 packages. Check the folder content. Here is the node modules folder. Clear the terminal. Check the folder content. And here are the files and folders from the node modules folder. Very good. Clear the terminal again. I want to check the content of package.json. Cat is for read the file. Copy the command. Paste it in the terminal. Oh, something went wrong. Let's fix it. The command is good, run it. It is the content of package.json and I need the script start. Copy it and write npm run and paste the script. It is start. Copy the command, hide the VS Code, open the terminal and run the command npm run start. Enter, and the server is running. You can see the logs. The server is listening at 127001 and port number 15476. Copy this address. Very good. Open the browser. Open a new tab. Paste the IP, run it, and it will fail. It is because here is the local IP address of the server, but I cannot use its local IP. I must use the public IP of the server. It is 192.168.0.50. Port number 15476. Run. And here is the response from the server. It is running for 82 seconds. Let's restart the server to reset the timer. Open the terminal, press Ctrl+C to stop the server, and run it again. The server is running. Go to the browser, refresh the page, and the timer was resetted. Refresh the page, and you see the timer is running. Go to GitHub, go to src, go to index.js, or better go to server.js, scroll down, copy this path fail, paste it in the URL, question mark, copy the probability parameter, paste it and write equal 50. You see the server failed, run again, the request failed, run again, and it is success, 200. Run again, success, run again, success, run again, fail. Go to VS Code, make it full screen, check Git changes. I edit the commands, apply the change, close the working tree, and write the commit message, run the server. In the new line is run nodejs-backend server. Commit, and now push. Perfect, it was pushed. Shut down the server, stop the application, press Ctrl+C, and now run sudo shutdown. It is all. The application is running on the server. Thank you for watching.